Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Absa Bank Youth Account. As a young individual, managing your finances effectively is crucial for a secure financial future. Absa Bank Youth Account is designed to help you achieve this goal. To get started, you need to understand the benefits of having an Absa Bank Youth Account. This account is tailored for young people, offering features such as low fees, competitive interest rates, and user-friendly online banking. It is essential to take advantage of these benefits to maximize your savings and minimize your expenses. The first step is to open your Absa Bank Youth Account. You can do this by visiting any Absa Bank branch or by applying online. You will need to provide the required documents, which typically include your identification and proof of address. Once your account is open, it is crucial to set a budget and track your expenses. This will help you understand where your money is going and make informed decisions about your spending. You can use the Absa Bank online banking platform or mobile app to monitor your account activity and stay on top of your finances. Another best practice is to save regularly. Set aside a portion of your income each month and transfer it to your savings account. This will help you build an emergency fund and achieve your long-term financial goals. Absa Bank offers a range of savings options, including fixed deposits and savings accounts, to help you grow your money. It is also essential to be aware of the fees associated with your account. Absa Bank Youth Account has low fees, but it is crucial to understand what you are being charged for. This includes transaction fees, maintenance fees, and overdraft fees. By being mindful of these fees, you can avoid unnecessary charges and keep your account costs low. In addition to managing your account effectively, it is vital to prioritize security. Always keep your account details and password confidential, and be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. Absa Bank also offers two-factor authentication and other security measures to protect your account from unauthorized access. Finally, take advantage of the educational resources and financial tools provided by Absa Bank. The bank offers a range of guides, tutorials, and workshops to help you improve your financial literacy and make informed decisions about your money. By following these best practices and taking advantage of the features and resources offered by Absa Bank, you can get the most out of your youth account and set yourself up for long-term financial success.